Hello viewers, let's resolve the issue of adding text and numeric numbers in case if they are sharing a single cell in MS Excel. We will share three procedures, each one has its own importance, but the last one would be the ultimate solution in which we will do adding despite having text in the same cells. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now in front of you are two columns. One is having numeric numbers with kg and another one is having meters along with the numeric numbers. So in case if I go and press auto sum, so it will give me error, or in case if I press alt plus equal to sign, which is the shortcut for adding or sum, so again you will see error. We will use three procedures. Two would be time saving and one would be the ultimate solution at the end. So now let's go and copy and paste the data outside the cell. Now select the top row and retype the figure and in next cell Control E. Now your text is out of that column. Again type the text, click the next cell and Control E. Now both are simply separate and we can do calculation of our numeric keys. Now we have 35 answers, so we can write. However, an issue appears that kg sign won't appear because we have not told the Excel that write it as kg. So delete that. Control 1 from your keyboard and under number go to custom, and then in front of general have one space, inverted comma kg, inverted comma. Okay, space is responsible for the distance between numbers and text. So copy and paste and select this and again auto sum. So now you don't have kg above, but you can see the kg word at the end of the total row. So now let's go for the ultimate solution. The first two were time saving, so now let's copy, paste and go again to your previous table or column. Now select it, Control 1 from your keyboard, and simply you will see once again under number go to custom. Here in place of kg we will simply inverted commas, meter, inverted commas, close, single space is responsible for the distance between the text and the numbers. Click on OK and now delete it and retype each and every figures. Automatically you will see meter everywhere. You can use auto sum or shortcut for addition. Now if you change any value, your table would share both numbers and text. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.